Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I've got a real throwback for you, a homemade Catalina dressing. This is really a memory from when I was a kid. We are revisiting a recipe video that I made over 10 years ago, and I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to revisit a video that I made literally 10 or 11 years ago. Catalina dressing. It's a real throwback. It's a real favorite, and so many people love it, but I don't know that a lot of people realize just how easy it is to make. Yes, it's easy to go to the grocery store and pick up a bottle of Catalina dressing, but you already have what you need to make this in your kitchen. So that's what we're going to do today. You're going to need to start off is 1 cup of ketchup, whatever ketchup you like to use. We're going to need a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/2 cup of vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar today, but you can use white vinegar, but those are really the only 2 I would recommend. A 1/2 cup of vegetable oil of your choice. Today I am using sunflower oil. I have a 1/2 of a large sweet onion that I ran over the grater, my microplane, or you can use your box grater, or you can throw this in your mini chopper and just chop it up super fine. This helps it to kind of homogenize with the dressing a little bit easier than just super fine chopping, because who has time to do that? And you know, I don't. So I just ran it over my grater. It makes it really easy. A lot of onion juice comes out. That's where all the flavor is, and it's perfect. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and this is all of our flavorizers. We're going to have a teaspoon of sweet paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon each of dry mustard powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt. And that's it. Super easy, super delicious, and all you really have to do is mix this up together. You can throw it in a big jar and shake it up, or you can just whisk it together in a container like we're going to do. And that's what's going to happen next. Now we're going to go ahead and mix up all of our ingredients. So, little helpful tips. I'm going to go ahead and put our vinegar, our Worcestershire sauce, and our dry spices all together. And I'm just using a measuring cup because it's easy and it's nice and deep. And then we're going to add all of our other ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the ketchup. The vegetable oil, our grated onion, and a granulated sugar. You can feel free to adjust the amount of sugar. Also, I might add, you can make this sugar-free by using a sugar-free ketchup and an artificial sweetener, because the rest of it is pretty good to go. And then just get in here with your whisk. Or you can throw this all in your blender, in which case just cut your onion up smaller. You don't have to grate it. And then you can just blend it all together. You can also throw this in a quart jar and you can shake it up until it's blended well. The only thing you're looking for here is for the sugar to get completely dissolved. And this is where you're going to find out all the little chunks of onion that you didn't get completely grated, but no worries. When I was a kid, you used to be able to buy onion juice in the produce section of the grocery store. I don't even know if you can do that anymore. Now that's your Catalina dressing. We're going to give it a try. I remember Catalina being a favorite in our family. This is just like a nice tomatoey French dressing. That's really good.
Reminds me of the one we used to like growing up. It was a Western. It's called Western.
Western dressing. Yeah, that's like a Catalina dressing too. And that's kind of regional. I don't even know if that's nationwide.
Yeah, we all liked it as kids.
Oh yeah.
So.
But this is super delicious. I'm going to go ahead and put this in a container, and I'm going to bring you back and probably make you a little salad just so you can see what it looks like. I went ahead and I popped our dressing into a jar. That way I can put a lid on it and keep it in the fridge. This is going to keep in your refrigerator for about 2 weeks, so you want to use it up. You can make half a recipe if you're just single or a couple, and if you don't think you're going to use it up that quickly. This is perfect in a Catalina taco salad. If you guys are not familiar with what that is and you want to see me make it, leave a comment down below and maybe we'll go ahead and do that. It's super easy and delicious, and I think the whole family will love it. It's a taco salad with a twist because it's drenched in this delicious Catalina dressing, so it's got a sweet and sour flair to it, and it's just wonderful. I went ahead and I wedged up a tomato and I sliced some Persian cucumber. I just drizzled this dressing over the top. Will you taste the tomato?
Sure. Tell me what else we're going to do with it.
We are going to put this on a hot dog. I think it would be really lovely as a hot dog sauce. You just never know until you try, because it's really got that delicious sweet and sour kind of ketchup-y taste to it. What do you think?
It's so good.
It's really refreshing.
Probably like on a cucumber.
It's just the right amount of sweetness. It's not overly sweet. It's got delicious savoriness to it. And the addition of that grated onion makes all the difference. If it wasn't in there, you would totally miss it. So that's how you make homemade Catalina dressing, retro style. I hope you give it a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya. So, until next time, I'll see ya.